Let's talk about something we do every day but don't always think about: learning. Learning isn't just something we do in school, it's a lifelong skill. Whether we're trying to pick up a new hobby, figure out a challenging math problem, or understand a new concept, learning is how we grow. But here's the thing: learning is an art. It's not just about memorizing facts or following instructions. Mastering the art of learning means understanding how to learn better, faster, and more deeply. And once you master it, you can achieve almost anything. So, what does it mean to master the art of learning? It means knowing how to approach new information, how to break it down, and how to make it stick. It's about finding what works best for you, because we all learn differently. Think of learning like building a puzzle. When you first look at all the pieces, it might seem confusing, but as you work through it piece by piece, the picture starts to come together. Mastering the art of learning helps you figure out the best way to approach each new puzzle in life.
As a person, I have to constantly learn new things, from researching unfamiliar topics to improving my writing skills. Over the years, I've learned how to make the learning process smoother and more enjoyable.
Now, how can we master the art of learning? Here are 3 simple techniques that can help you learn more effectively.
Active learning. Instead of just passively reading or listening, engage with what you're learning. Ask questions, take notes, and try to explain what you've learned in your own words. The more actively you engage with the material, the better you'll understand and remember it. Break it down. Big tasks or subjects can feel overwhelming. One of the best ways to learn something new is to break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Focus on one piece at a time, and before you know it, you'll have mastered the entire subject. Practice and apply. Learning isn't just about understanding the information, it's about practicing and applying what you've learned. If you're learning a new skill, practice it regularly. If you're studying a new topic, try to use that knowledge in real life. The more you practice, the more it sticks. For example, when I'm learning a new writing technique, I don't just read about it, I try it out in my writing. By applying what I've learned, I can see what works and improve my skills along the way.
Learning isn't always easy. Sometimes we face challenges like feeling stuck, bored, or frustrated. But the key to mastering the art of learning is knowing how to overcome these obstacles.
Stay curious. Curiosity is your greatest ally. If you're curious about what you're learning, it won't feel like a chore. Find ways to make the subject interesting and ask yourself questions along the way. The more curious you are, the more motivated you'll be to keep learning. Embrace mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. If you mess up, it's not the end of the world. It's actually a great opportunity to learn something new. Every mistake is a stepping stone to improvement. The key is to keep going, even when it feels difficult. Take breaks. Our brains can only absorb so much information at once. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take a break. A quick walk, a snack, or even a short nap can help recharge your brain and improve your focus when you return to learning. When I face challenges as a writer, I remind myself that it's okay to struggle. In fact, it's through those struggles that I often learn the most.
Learning doesn't just happen in the classroom. We're learning all the time, whether we realize it or not. From cooking a new recipe to fixing something at home, or even figuring out how to solve a problem with a friend, life constantly offers opportunities to learn.
The more we embrace learning in everyday situations, the better we become at it. And the more we master learning, the more confident and capable we become in all areas of life. For me, learning happens in every new project I take on. Whether I'm writing about a new subject or trying out a different style, I'm always learning. And each time I grow as a writer and as a person.
Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more, and kindly hit that notification button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Mastering the art of learning is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. It's a skill that will help you succeed no matter what you do in life. By being curious, staying patient, and applying what you learn, you can take on any challenge and grow into the best version of yourself.
Remember, learning is not about being perfect, it's about making progress. So keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop growing. I challenge you this week to try mastering the art of learning. Pick one new thing to learn. It could be a hobby, a school subject, or even a fun fact about something you're interested in. Use the techniques we talked about and see how much you can grow by the end of the week. Thank you for listening, happy learning, and I'll see you all on the next one.